Welcome to Vivacious Vocab. Are you ready to sing the special song with me? It goes like this. Va va vroom, va va vroom. It's time for Vivacious Vocab. Va va vroom, va va vroom. It's time for Vivacious Vocab. Okay, friends. Today's big gigantic word of the day is, wait for it, drum roll please. Can you do a drum roll at your house? Courageous. Courageous is the big gigantic word of the day. Let's clap off the syllables in courageous. Here we go. Courageous. Again, courageous. Courageous means that you are very brave. When you are acting courageous, you are showing that you can plow through even when something is very scary. Yes, courageous is a big word. If you can learn to use the word courageous, you will learn to be articulate, just like me. My name is Articulate Annie. Let's learn a little more about the word courageous. One time, friends, I was at the zoo and I saw a big lion, and the lion made a loud roar sound, and I was so scared. I was shaking like this, and I was holding on to my mommy's leg, and my mommy said, "It's okay, Articulate Annie. You can be courageous. It's okay. You can be courageous. Look the lion in the eye. He can't get you. And take a look at this big, fierce animal." And I looked him right in the eye and I went, "Wait a minute. I'm pretty courageous. I'm not afraid of you." And I said, "Hi, Mr. Lion. I'm Articulate Annie." And he looked right at me and he went, and walked away. I felt very courageous in that moment. Another time that I was courageous was when I came to a new camp. I was used to my school with all of my friends and my teachers, and my mom wanted me to go to this new camp because they have cheerleading at the camp, and I love cheerleading. See, I like to be a cheerleader all the time. And when I was at that camp, I didn't know anybody at all, so my mom walked me into the classroom and I was feeling very scared. Very, very scared indeed. But then I took a deep breath like this. Shh. Shh. And I was able to be courageous. I walked into the new camp and I saw a girl painting on an easel. I walked over to the girl and I said, "Hello, friend. My name is Articulate Annie. What's your name?" And she said her name was Rebecca. And guess what? We became friends. And I didn't feel scared anymore because now I had a friend at my new camp. I felt very courageous. Very, very courageous when that happened. Have you ever been courageous before? Can you think about a time when you were courageous? When you did something, even if you felt scared? Oh, you rode a bike before? When you felt a little bit scared, but you were courageous and you did it? Oh, you spent the night at your Grammy's house and you felt a little scared, but you did it anyway? And in the morning you felt courageous? Wow! Today, can you think about all the times
that you have been courageous. And maybe share that with your mommy or daddy or another grown-up or a brother or a sister. Talk about all the times that you've been courageous before. All right, friends. Va, va, vroom. Va, va, vroom. It's time for Vivacious Vocab to say goodbye. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time. Now go be articulate. Use the word courageous. Bye-bye.